we're going to finish this one. It's one of mine, but the lyrics were written by my friend Leslie Chapman, and you can all join in, and it's in Spanish. Since we've had like a few hot days, it's going to make you think of, oh yes, I want to go on holiday. This is the effect it has on people. This is why we leave it till last. You think, oh yes, I'm there. Anyway, it's a song about a pisshead. And in Spanish. I mean, I'll tell you, it's a mule. It's about a mule called Mojino, right? Okay. And I don't, because it's in Spanish, I got to tell you. So what happens is, every Sunday, without permission from his wife, this old fella, he goes down into the village, and he does a tour of all the bars and the chironguitos, which is an outside umbrella thing with cold beers in them. And he takes his mule with him. And the reason why he takes the mule is because he gets so howling plastered, he has a total inability to get back home again, unless he's got the mule with him, and he hangs on to the beticola, like that thingy, the Brady thing, and the mule takes him home at the end of the night, back to his wife, who's rather cross with him because he's done it again. So anyway, this is called Mojino. So, right. Domingos, siempre me estoy de mi mujer, caminando los caminos, buscando cerveza para beber, pasando por las bares y los chironguitos, con mi mejor amigo Mojino, Mojino, mi Mojino, Mojino, mi Mojino, Mojino es mi mulo, muy chulo, y mi mejor amigo. Oh Mojino, mi Mojino, no me quería pisar cuando ya no de cerveza, ya no podría andar. No importa lo que pasó, a mi casa me siempre llevo. No importa lo que pasó, siempre, siempre regreso. Oh Mojino, mi Mojino, no me quería pisar cuando ya no te cerveza, ya no podría andar. que pasó, a mi casa me siempre llevó. No importa lo que pasó, siempre regresó. Cantando de una gitana, apenas podía mandar, solo mi mojino ali para ayudar. Cogiendo la peticola por más seguridad, mi calle boca arriba en la calle de la ciudad. Pero mi querido mulo no intentaba marchar, pero me quería pisarme o hacerme daño sin querer. Here we go. Oh Mojino, mi Mojino, no me quería pisar cuando lleno de cerveza ya no podría andar. No importa lo que pasó, a mi casa me siempre llevó. No importa lo que pasó, siempre regreso. Thank you very much. Thank you, thank you, thank you.